This video is about adding or finding an existing customer in the database and then adding a new order to that existing customer. So for example, here's our dashboard. If we want to find anything in the database or anyone, we just type it in the search bar here. So if we know that for instance we're looking for Bellway Homes, we type it in here, and then any accounts that we have with Bellway Homes is going to appear. It might not be Bellway Homes, it might be someone else called James. We can put a postcode in here if we want to and it will find it for us. We can even put a telephone number in here and it will find it for us, assuming we have any of those on it. So you get the idea. So let's for example say that we're going to use Bellway. Now Bellway Homes has several accounts, but this particular one is called South Queensferry. As you can see here, we have accounts. That's the actual account number. This is the order number, so this is some job that has actually been done on that account, and this is the initial inquiry. So if we want to add another one to our Bellway account, we click the account. So here is where all of our bills are going to go off for this particular account, and they might have multiple sites and branches. So Bellway here have got one, but we might add another one. And call it a special name, you know. It might have a number that is given to us to use. We might have to use the same account details. In this case, it's been kind of, for instance, telephone number. And then it's going to have another address where this is going to appear. So any notes, you know, side access only, must have a license, something like that. And then we're going to save that, and now that is a new site that we have, and we might have lots and lots of these sites for this particular customer. And then we come back to it and we might want to add an order to this, which is basically a job. We're going to do something for this particular site and we're going to put some resources to it. So I'm going to start here, scaffolding, what do they want, roofing. If you want to have any files that they might have sent some schematics, you can upload them there. This might mean that it goes to a particular person in the invoicing department or a special one, and then again an order due date if it needs to be done by a certain date. We will leave those where they are and say needs a roof scaffold for repair work. Engineer notes or customer notes again, so this time I'm going to put it in the customer notes, and I'm going to convert this to an order, which means that now I can start to do something with this job. So the next video is going to be on how we're going to make an appointment for someone to actually go out and do this job.